All right, this is Bill with Concave. We're halfway through Jacob's cards. I think we ended with Rebecca, so this one should be Porch. And it is. Comes in at a 10. Very nice. Next we have Vince Smoke Raiju. She comes in at a 9. Yamato. Starter deck 13. Oh, what a card. That sucks. The 9. What a beautiful card. I love that black and gold. And last we have Boa Hancock Pristine 10. Oh, it is. That's not the best Boa Hancock card out there. All right. Jacob. Boom. All right. Now, these are weird. Okay, so these are Juan's cards. Juan gave me Post-its and that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you notice these cards have been in order. So this one should be a Mewtwo promo. And it is. Comes in at 9. I've always liked that card. Mega Charizard EX. You see that they're in order. 10. Dawn SIR. Special illustration rare. Comes in at 8. Illustration rare. Armor Rouge. 8.5. Belly Bolt. Comes in at 8. Sorry, Juan. These grades are not nice. I like this one. That's the Electros Japanese. Yep. All right. So I'm going to take these off. We don't put staples onto slabs. All right, Juan, those were yours. All right, we got some sports cards. Let me see if they put the sports in order. There's a Mark McGuire. Comes in at a 1.5. These are your cards, Greenski. Paul Skeens. Skeen. Ski. Comes in at a 10. Chavez? Oh, Julio Cesar Chavez. Yes, sir. Comes in at a 10. What a card. We got these boxes for sale. Muhammad Ali. Comes in at a 7.5. Lively Auto. Derek Lively Auto comes in at a 10. Boom. Nowitzki. Insert card at $2.99. Comes in at a 9. I'd say I'd edit that out, but Malik Neighbors comes in at an 8. Mahomes. Nice. Comes in at a 10. 2019 score. It's not his rookie season. Shea Patterson. Valley Legend. Quarterback at Michigan. First pick in the USFL. Shador. Comes in at a 9. All right. I'll put these to the side. That staple has to stay. So I'm going to put Greenski's cards over here. Right there. All right. What do we have? 4 minutes? I'm going to get through Abel's cards. What does Abel have? A Michael Jordan upper deck. Oh, Greenski's got more cards. Sorry, Abel. I'm going to put on the next video because we're already at 5 minutes.